If there's ever been a time that we need more social time, it's now. What I've noticed lately in the classroom is kids' inability to read the room. Really, how many adults can't read the room right now? Let me give you an example. If you're walking down the hall or you're in a meeting and somebody stops you and they poke their head in and they want to ask a question and they say, "Is this a good time?" And you say, "No, not really," but they ask the question anyway. Yeah, that's a good example of, I don't know how to read the room. So our kids are really struggling here. The only way we're going to get past that is to allow more unstructured social time. And I say it all the time, we need transition time, we need breaks during the day, whatever it might be, but really unstructured social time. Use your talk time, use whatever moments you have to just allow kids to kind of learn how to read the room and coach them along the way. Don't say things like, "Did you see that he didn't want you to sit next to him?" Say the statement instead of the question. Something like this: "When you moved that close to him, he got a little weird and didn't like that very much. That was probably a reason, an indicator, if you will." Use whatever vocabulary word that you can for the age of the child you're working with. Be able to say, "That's a time when you should probably move back a little bit." Or, "Those kids didn't want you to join their game just by the way they sounded. So that was a time when you could go and choose something else." We have to be a little more purposeful at teaching kids how to read the room because they're just not getting the experience on their own.